Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Wednesday. Yes, it is Wednesday. I have a pretty busy morning. I have 2 appointments this morning, so I'm going to make this brief. So yesterday I baked I baked an apple cinnamon cake. It was very good. Robin enjoyed it, and I've gotten a lot of comments on it that it's pretty. So today, I'm looking forward to this since I picked it out for this week. I am going to be more coffee. I'm going to be preparing a New Mexico Carne. I'm going to get this wrong. Adovada, whatever. Basically translates to red chili pork. So actually, we're already in the kitchen. As you can see, I've got some things already laid out. We got some brown sugar. Oh man, I am having a rough morning. Again, brown sugar, cilantro. I'm going to be doing my version of the Spanish rice. We got bay leaf, plenty of garlic, olive oil, chicken stock. I'm going to be using a pork top one, some white vinegar. There's a yellow onion and salt, pepper. This sauce has 4 types of chilies. Chipotle peppers in adobo, pasilla, ancho, and I'm going to slaughter it, guajillo. I'll be serving it on street taco tortillas. We have 3 different herbs and spices going in: Mexican oregano, whole thyme, and cumin powder. And there's the recipe. There's the recipe. There is the cake. Look at that, layers. Yum, yum, yum. And I'll be using a blender today. So I hope those who are participating in the members 3-ingredient challenge are getting their recipes ready. I look forward to seeing what you create. Yum, yum. Hopefully you have your turkey day plans already in the works. As you know, I have mine in the works already. I've already done shopping. Menus are printed out and ready to go. And so have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.